Have you ever been in an interview? Things are going great, and then they hit you with the question, so what are your salary expectations? And suddenly, your mind goes blank. You're torn between a number that is too high, and you risk sounding arrogant, and a number that is too low, leaving money on the table. It feels like a high-stakes guessing game. Well, today, that game ends. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to give you a simple, strategic framework for answering this question with confidence. You'll learn how to deflect like a pro, how to research your true worth, and exactly what to say to maximize your offer. Let's get you paid what you deserve. First, we need to understand why they're asking this. It's not a trick question. Recruiters ask this to see if you're in the same ballpark. They have a budget, and they don't want to waste anyone's time. But here are the 3 biggest mistakes people make. Avoid these at all costs. Mistake number 1, giving a number too early. The golden rule of salary negotiation is, whoever says a number first loses. You have no leverage if you show your cards before you understand the full scope of the job and they already sold on you. Mistake number 2, being unprepared. Saying I'm flexible or whatever the market rate is makes you look inexperienced and weak. It signals you haven't done your homework. Mistake number 3, using your current salary as an anchor. Your value is based on the role you're applying for and the market rate, not what you're making now. Never volunteer your current salary. It can instantly lowball you. Okay, so the secret to nailing this question happens long before the interview. It's all about preparation. You need to walk in knowing your number. Here's how to find it. Step 1. Research the market range. Use sites like Glassdoor, Levels, Fly, LinkedIn Salary, and PayScale. Don't just look for the job title. Filter by the company, the city, and your level of experience. Step 2. Define your range based on your research. Create a 3-number system for yourself. Your minimum acceptable salary, the number you absolutely will not go below. This is your walkaway point. Your target salary, the realistic number you'd be happy with. This should be in the mid to upper part of your research range. Your dream salary, a stretch goal that's ambitious but still within reason. Having this range in your head is your source of power. It turns a panic-inducing question into a simple business conversation. Now, for the main event. How you answer depends entirely on when in the process they ask. Let's break it down. If a recruiter asks you this in the first phone screen, their goal is to check a box. They need a range. Your goal is to be cooperative but not pinned down. Here's your script. Thank you for asking. Based on my skills, experience, and my research into similar roles in this market, I'm targeting a range somewhere between your target and your dream salary. However, I'm very flexible depending on the total compensation package, including benefits and growth opportunities. Can you tell me what range you have budgeted for this role? See what we did there? We gave a confident, research-backed range and then immediately flipped the question back to them. 70% of the time, they'll tell you their range. If they push, you can say, I'm confident we can find a number that's fair once we determine I'm the right fit for the role. If the hiring manager asks you this in a later interview, it's a better sign. They're more invested. Here, you can be more direct, but still strategic. I'm very excited about this opportunity and the value I can bring. From my understanding of the responsibilities, my research points to a salary in the range of insert your target to insert your dream salary. Does that align with the range you have in mind for this position? This links your salary to the value you'll provide, making it harder to lowball you. Let's say you've used these scripts and they come back with an offer. It's at the bottom of your range. What now? Never accept on the spot. Your response should always be, thank you so much for the offer. I'm genuinely excited about this opportunity. Could you please send over the full offer in writing so I can review all the details? I look forward to speaking soon. This gives you time to breathe. Once you have the written offer, if the base salary is low, you can negotiate based on the total compensation, bonuses, stock options, extra vacation days, a signing bonus. Remember, the goal is to get the entire package to meet your target. One final pro tip. Always be collaborative, not confrontational. Use phrases like, I'm excited to join the team, and I'm confident we can get to a number that works for everyone. Frame it as a problem you're solving together. All right, let's do a quick recap. Do your homework. Know your 3-number range. Deflect early. Politely flip the question back to the recruiter. Anchor high later. Use a confident, value-based range with the hiring manager. Negotiate the full package. Don't forget benefits and bonuses. This one skill can literally be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars over your career. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more career advice that actually works. It really helps the channel. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest fear about salary negotiation? Or what's a clever way you've answered this question? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Remember, know your worth, then add tax. I'll see you in the next one.